students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class, class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 4. Name of the chapter is profit and loss and bills, and this is our lecture number 3. Today we will study how to make the bills. So our subtopic, preparation of bills, which we will do from exercise 4B. Statement sums, questions 1 and 2. Now let's start with the first question. What is asked? Let's see. In exercise 4B. First question. Akash went to a stationery shop and bought £6 of rupees 15.50 each. 3 erasers at rupees 3.50 each, and 4 notebooks at rupees 12.50 each. Prepare a bill in your notebook. So here you have understood that Akash went to the stationery shop. Akash stationery shop पे गया और क्या क्या परचेज किया? 6 pens he has purchased. Cost of 1 pen is given 15 rupees 50 paise. 3 erasers are purchased by him. Cost of 1 eraser is 3 rupees and 50 paisa. And 4 notebooks he has purchased. Cost of 1 notebook is rupees 12.50. And now you have to prepare the bill. Okay. So, you know what are the important things which you need to mention in preparing the bill, as we have discussed previously. So let's start. First of all, we have to write down name of the shop. It is imaginary bill. आपको बनाना है तो नेम आप assume करेंगे, right? So let's take the name Raj Stationery Shop. Okay, then address New Delhi. Now you will write down the name and address of customer. Of customer who has purchased. This is given to us, Mr. Akash. New Delhi. Right. Now, phone number. Write down any phone number. 0736412345678 9 and 10. You can write down any mobile number or phone number. Then bill number. Bill number. You can write down any number. बिल बुक से बिल आपको काट के देना तो बिल नंबर लिखेंगे. एंड डेट on which date this purchasing is going on. Write down any date. 29th August 20, right? Now what are the items which are purchased? For that, first of all, serial number, name of items, and after that quantity, कितना परचेज किया, quantity, and then rate, and after that amount, total amount, right? Rate will be either in rupees or in kilogram. Amount is always in rupees, right? Quantity in number or in gram or kilogram. So now write down the serial number first. Now write down serial number 1. Name of the items. क्या परचेज किया था आकाश ने? Pens. How many pens? 6 pens. And what was the cost of one pen? Rupees 15.50. तो वन पेन की कॉस्ट गिवन है 6 की निकालनी है. Then you have to do multiplication in your rough column. Okay. If you want, I can explain you multiplication also. How to do? After multiplication, you will get rupees 93.00. Then serial number 2, he has purchased erasers. 3 erasers were purchased and cost of one eraser was rupees 3.50. So rupees 3.50 multiply by 3, rupees 10.50. And then third item was purchased notebooks. How many notebooks were purchased? 4. And what was the cost of one notebook? Rupees 12.50. So 12.50 multiply by 4. It will become rupees 50.00. Now total amount. Here you are going to write down total is equal to 0, 0 plus 5 plus 0, 5, decimal, 9 plus 0 plus 0, 3, it's 3 here, 3 plus 0 plus 0, 3, 9 plus, write in column here, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So this is the total quantity, rupees 153.50. At last there will be signatures. Here you will write down signatures of the shopkeeper. Signature of the shopkeeper. In short form also you can write down a sign, S-I-G-N. You need a lot of space for preparing the bill. Sign of the shopkeeper, right? Now see how to multiply. Multiplication is easy, but I am going to tell you again, with decimal is there. So multiply it without putting decimal. 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30 plus 3, 33, 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9. So here decimal was there. So in answer you will write down 93.00, right? Rupees. Then 3.50 is 350 multiplied by 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. And here your decimal will come rupees 10.50. And 12.50 multiplied by 4. Multiplication में decimal put नहीं करना. 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. 1 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. And after decimal 2 digits, after decimal 2 digits, it will become 50 decimal 00. Understood? In this way you have to prepare the bill. If name of the shop is not given, name of the person is not given, you have to write down yourself phone number, bill number, date, signatures, everything you have to write down. If it is given in the question, you will write down the same. If not given, you will write down any name and any address. Now next is question number 2. Mr. Gupta went to a provision store to buy some household items. He purchased an order for 4 kilogram. Name is Mr. Gupta. Purchased 4 kilograms rice at rupees 27.50 per kilogram. And then he has purchased a packet of tea, चाय का पैकेट, चाय पत्ती का, for rupees 47.50. Also he has purchased 3 liters of oil. Oil purchase किया 3 liters at rupees 57 per liter. Okay. And 4 kilogram of sugar. At rupees 17.50 per kilogram. Prepare a bill. बिल प्रिपेयर करना है हमें. प्रोविजन स्टोर का नेम नहीं गिवन है, ओनली पर्सन का नेम गिवन है. नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज मिस्टर गुप्ता. व्हाट ही हैज परचेज 4 किलो राइस परचेज किए, चावल खरीदे. 1 किलो राइस का कॉस्ट गिवन है. टी का 1 पैकेट परचेज किया, चाय पत्ती का 1 पैकेट लिया है, उसकी कॉस्ट हमें गिवन है. 3 लीटर ऑफ ऑयल, ऑयल परचेज किया, तेल परचेज किया एट रुपीज 57 पर लीटर. 1 लीटर का कॉस्ट गिवन है, 3 लीटर की हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. 4 किलोग्राम ऑफ शुगर एट रुपीज 70.50 पर किलोग्राम. 1 किलोग्राम शुगर की कॉस्ट गिवन है. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट ऑफ 4 किलोग्राम एंड देन वी हैव टू कंप्लीट अ बिल. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग द बिल. ओके, सो व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस? Only the name of the person who has purchased. So we will write down the name of the store, Gurmeet store, any name you can write down. Okay, Gurmeet store and address New Delhi. Okay, any number pin you can write down. Phone number, right? This is phone number, it is not mobile number. Okay, you can write down any number. After that, bill number, any bill number, because here bill number is not given to us. Write down bill number 7293 I have written. Then date, any date you can write down if it is not mentioned. Now name and address, किसका, जिस पर्सन ने परचेज किया. ओके, नेम एंड एड्रेस. नेम इज गिवन टू अस, किसने परचेज किया था? मिस्टर गुप्ता. दिल्ली। आप यहाँ पे न्यू दिल्ली की जगह कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, गुरुग्राम भी लिख सकते हैं, पटौदी भी लिख सकते हैं, राइट। नाउ सीरियल नंबर, name of the items, okay, and then quantity, rate in rupees or in kilogram, and after that amount. Amount is always in rupees, right? Now write down serial number 1. Name of the item. First of all, he has purchased rice. Quantity was 4 kilogram. Keep open your book. See from there, 4 kilogram, and cost was rupees 27.50, decimal 50 per kilogram. So now what you will do? 2750 multiply by 4 you will do in your rough column, and after that you will put decimal after multiplication. It will be rupees 110.00, right? Second item was purchased tea packet. You can write down here packet if you want. Otherwise, if you are writing tea, that is also okay. 1 kilogram. Cost was given rupees 47.50. एक ही पैकेट परचेज किया है तो 47.50 only. So 0 we have written here below 1, right? Now oil was purchased. How much? It can be kilogram or oblique liter also, right? 3 liter was purchased, and cost of 1 liter was given rupees 57. So 57 multiplied by 3, it will be 171 rupees. We will write down decimal 00 also, right? Now fourth item was purchased sugar. कितने शुगर परचेज की थी? 4 किलोग्राम. You can check in your book also. याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Keep your book in front of you. 1 kilogram was of rupees 17.50. So 4 kilogram, 4 multiplied by 17.50. So it is rupees 70. So we will write down 070.00. Okay. Now we will find out total amount. So write here total is equal to, no need of these lines, total is equal to, do addition, 0, 0 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5, decimal, 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 0, 8, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 9, 1 carry, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 1, 1 carry था ना 3. So rupees 398.50 is the total amount. And at last, signature of the shopkeeper. Of the shopkeeper. Last में shopkeeper अपने signature करेगा. You will write down signature of the shopkeeper and leave it, right? So Be careful that you have to write down everything. Name of the store, address, name and address of the person who has purchased, customer, phone number, bill number, date, and then serial number, name of the items, quantity, rate, then amount, and at last signature of the shopkeeper. I think now you are able to prepare the bill. Now your homework is revise classwork. क्लासवर्क के दोनों क्वेश्चंस आपको रिवाइज करने इन योर प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक एंड टू क्वेश्चन 4 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 4B. Here also you have to prepare bill in question number 4. So these two you have to revise in your practice, and also do this question. One more question you have to do question number 4 in your practice notebook. Right? Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 2. In your homework, worksheet questions were given. Question number 1 and 2. Question number 1. Mr. Lal buys pencils at rupees 250 per 100 and sells each at rupees 1.75. Find his cost, find his loss or profit. Mr. Lal ने 250 रुपीज पर 100 हर 100 पेंसिल के लिए उसने रुपीज 250 दिए, इतने रुपए में परचेज की, और बेची कैसे 1.75 रुपीज की 1 पेंसिल. हमें बताना है कि मिस्टर लाल को प्रॉफिट हुआ या लॉस हुआ. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हिज सेलिंग प्राइस. कॉस्ट प्राइस इज गिवन टू यू रुपीज 250. सेलिंग प्राइस यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. 1.75 की 1 पेंसिल है तो 100 कितने की होंगी. डेसिमल विल शिफ्ट 2 प्लेसेस फॉरवर्ड. रुपीज 175 डेसिमल 0 0 or you can say rupees 175. Now see, cost price is greater than selling price, so definitely there is profit or loss. Loss. तो मिस्टर लाल को लॉस हुआ कितना. You have to calculate. रुपीज 250 minus rupees 175. 250 minus 175. 10 minus 5. 5. 4 minus 7 not possible. So 2 will become 1. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7. 7. 1 minus 1. 0. So कितने रुपए का नुकसान हुआ. 75 rupees loss. Have you got the correct answer? Yes? That's good. Question number 2 is here. Ram bought a second-hand cycle for rupees 500. He spent rupees 80 in repairs, rupees 175 in repainting. He then sold it to Lalit for rupees 900. How much did he gain or loss? What is given to us? First of all, cost price is given to us rupees 500. After that, he has spent some money for repairs, and money spent on repairing. साइकिल को रिपेयर कराया रुपीज 80 and money spent on repainting. फिर से पेंट कराया is equal to rupees 175. So actual cost price we have to calculate. Actual cost price, ये सारा cost price में जाएगा, है ना. रुपीज 500 प्लस रुपीज 80 प्लस रुपीज 175. ऐड करिए 500 प्लस 80 प्लस 175 5 15 8 प्लस 7 5 प्लस 1 6 प्लस 1 7. So 755 rupees is the actual cost price. Now selling price is given to us rupees 900. Now check what is more, cost price or selling price. Selling price is more, ज़्यादा रुपए में बेचा, then there is a profit. How much? We will calculate profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Rupees 900 minus rupees 755. Orally भी आप इसको माइनस कर सकते हो. 900 minus 750, 150 is left. 755 है, 5 रुपए ज्यादा है. So 145. If you want, you can do subtraction in rough column. Otherwise, orally also you can do. Right? So if your answers are correct, then it's very good. Otherwise, you will do correction work. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.